Hi guys! In today's video, I am showing you how to add stopwatch in CapCut. The process is really simple and easy. First thing you have to do is open your CapCut application and drag your media in the CapCut. As you can see, I already import my video as well as the stopwatch. But before going any further, let me tell you, how can you get the stopwatch for free? For this, open your PC browser and look for the website Pixabay. And once you can access the Pixabay, in the search bar, write stopwatch. And here you have to choose the icon video. As you can see, it's my search result. From here you have to choose which you like the most. As you can see in my CapCut, I already select a stopwatch and I will add it as a stopwatch in my video. Once you find your stopwatch, download it and import that in the CapCut application. And after you've done both, drag your video to the editing section. And now, time to add stopwatch on the video. Simply tap on that stopwatch and drag it on the top of the video and paste here. Now, arrange the length of the stopwatch according to your video need. And once you do that, tap on the stopwatch and take a look on the right top. Here, you can find some options: basic, cutout, mask, enhance. From these options, tap on the option mask. From here, you have to choose a mask just for showing you. I will choose this rectangle, tap on it, and here you can see my stopwatch has been converted to a rectangle. Now arrange the size of your stopwatch by doing like me after doing. Let's make it a little bit smaller. And for this, we have two ways. Tap on the option basic and simply arrange the scale like me. And also you can do it by tapping on the corner of the stopwatch and do like me after arranging the size. Now let's adjust the position. I want to show the stopwatch on the right top of the video here. Now the stopwatch has been added. Now let's have a preview of the video. And I think it looks insane. So it was the primary way by which you can add stopwatch in CapCut.